everyone, today I've got these 5 zebra Mildliner pens, and I have done a video on the Mildliners before, but the ones I did before, this is the test sheet from them. They had a brush tip and a fine tip, and the yellow one had a little bit of black at the end of the nib, so we had a little bit of trouble with that. So these are slightly different. It's a smaller pack, there's only 5 in them. They're double-ended highlighter and marker in one, so one end of them has a chisel tip, which would be good for highlighting, and one end has a bullet tip, so they'll be good for colouring, highlighting, journaling. And we're gonna try them out, see what the nib is like. So these are the pens. We've got a lilac, pink, orange, blue and yellow colours. So the bold tip, the chisel tip, is on that side of the pen. The pen that has the cap on. And then the fine tip is this smaller cap at this end. That is the fine tip. So let's try them out. So there we have the 5 colours, and these are Mildliner Gentle pens, so I think the colours are an awful lot more pale than the other colours. For example, this is the lilac in the other set I tried. Compared to this, I'd say that was lighter. The pink is a lot paler because it's quite a fluorescent pink in the other set, and they did have a deeper pink. The orange compared to a more fluorescent orange in the other set. The light blue, it's a lot paler in this set, and the yellow is a pastel yellow, and it was a fluorescent yellow or quite a deep yellow in the other set. So they are very pastel colours, so if you would prefer a very mild, gentle pastel colour, these Mildliner Gentle pens are probably for you. So we'll just take a look at the back. This is only thin paper, it's really quite thin. It's probably what you'd get in a journal, so it's not very thick. But it hasn't gone through to the other side, but I would recommend just testing your pens on the paper you have to see if it does bleed through to the other side before you use them, so that you don't ruin your other pages. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.